This video will tell you about what is Narrator in Windows 11 and how to stop or start Windows 11 Narrator. So what is Windows 11 Narrator? Windows 11 Narrator reads on-screen text out loud to help you navigate your PC if you are visually impaired. And simply, Narrator is a screen reading app built into the operating system, so there is nothing you need to download and install. You can start and stop Windows 11 Narrator using various methods. The one method is using the shortcut key. You have to press the Windows key plus Control plus Enter.
Narrator dialog. Skip for now. Button. More natural set desk. Narrator heading level 1. Scan. Welcome to Narrator. This is Narrator Home, where you can get help, access your settings, and learn about new features. Narrator is a screen reader that describes aloud what's on your screen, so you can use that information. Settings window.
This is how you can access the Narrator. Using the Windows key plus Control plus Enter, you will get the Narrator window. From there you will get the settings, you will get the new features. From here you can use the toggle switch off
Exiting
to turn
Narrator.
off the Narrator. So this is the one method. So now you have turned off Windows 11 Narrator by revoking permission. So if you want to reverse it, just turn it on.
Narrator dialog. Skip for now.
Windows plus Control plus N will take you to the Narrator window. That is also another shortcut key. Also you can set your shortcut key from here. Just click on the keyboard shortcut for Narrator, and from here you can set the shortcut key. Turning off the Narrator keyboard shortcut will help you prevent you from inadvertently triggering the keyboard shortcut. Now if you prefer to not use Narrator and don't want to see it anymore on Windows 11, there is a way. But keep in mind that any edits you make may be reverted in future Windows update. For that you have to go to the start and just click on the search and search for Narrator. And what you have to do is just open the file location. Now you have to right click on the Narrator and you have to go to the properties. Then you have to move to the security tab. Then select system under groups or usernames and click edit. Just select it and then click on edit. Now what you have to do is select deny full control. All checkboxes will be checked deny by default and thus enable all Narrator app permission for that user. Now you have to click apply and click OK. At this point it's a good idea to restart Windows 11 to see if Narrator is gone. It's important to point out that you may need to change the permission settings for all the group or usernames on your PC to avoid any possible permission conflict. Otherwise you may get a warning message. And that you completed the steps in this guide, you won't see Narrator popping up every time on Windows 11. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.